Worldwide in scope, we counted 126 songs arranged by theme, collected by the wonderful Cerys Matthews from Catatonia. Did duets with Tom Jones on the voice, and has been an inveterate collector of songs, decked the halls, and as you can see, she does lovely little write-up of the origins of famous tunes and some not so famous, musical score, and then full lyrics. This lady really loves her music, and to delve into the background and why they've remained so popular for hundreds and hundreds of years. Nelly the Elephant, Chick Chick Chicken, What Should We Do with the Drunken Sailor, Pop Goes the Weasel, It's a Long Long Way to Tipperary, Viva España. Fantastic. So if you do karaoke, if you love words, if you adore music like we all do here, this is a mix of traditional and contemporary with music and lyrics clearly here. You can lie that flat at the piano stool, at the music stand. A big beautiful hardback published at £20, and through bibliophilebooks.com for an amazing bargain price of just £6. The book is called Hook, Line and Singer, a sing-along book.